Welcome to the Workouts for Older Men podcast. I'm Skip LaCour, and this show is for men who are a little bit older, men who want to get fit, stay strong, and live a high-quality life without wasting time, energy, or effort on confusion and misinformation. If you're stepping into a commercial gym for the first time or the first time in a long time, this episode is for you. I'm going to help you cut through the noise, eliminate intimidation, and focus on what actually matters so you can train with confidence, consistency, and purpose. This isn't about trying to keep up with 20-year-olds or following social media fitness trends that don't apply to your life. It's about smart training, sustainable habits, and building strength that supports everything else you want to do in life. Let's get into it. If you're an older man walking into a commercial gym for the first time or the first time in a long time, you're not alone. And contrary to what your mind may be telling you, you're not behind, out of place, or starting too late. Working out in a commercial gym when you're older can actually be a productive, empowering, and even enjoyable experience as long as you approach it the right way. If you want to know how to work out in a gym, if you're looking for beginner-friendly gym workouts that actually make sense. If you want a solid workout plan for older men or just a smart, effective plan for men in general, these tips will point you in the right direction. 1, carry yourself in the gym. Like the winner, you are outside of it. Walking into a new environment without knowing exactly what to do can feel intimidating for anyone, especially when you see people who look like they know what they're doing. Relax, the gym is filled with men just like you. The only difference is that they've been going there longer. They weren't born confident in the gym either. They learned it over time, just like you will. You've already proven yourself in life, business, family, and responsibility. Bring that same quiet confidence with you into the gym. You don't need to impress anyone. You're there to work on yourself. 2, yes, you can build muscle and lose body fat at the same time. You don't need to wait until you lose all your body fat before lifting weights. Despite what some extremely passionate fitness influencers argue about online, this debate doesn't apply to you. That level of nuance only matters for men who've already been training hard and consistently for years. At your stage, you can absolutely build muscle while losing body fat at the same time, and you should. This is one of the biggest advantages you have right now. Use it. 3, pay close attention to your diet or your gym. Work won't show the treadmill sessions and weight training you're doing can be completely neutralized if your eating habits aren't aligned. You might burn calories in the gym, then add them all right back through overeating. You might build quality muscle, but never see it because it's covered by excess body fat. Training and nutrition must work together. When they do, results come faster and stay longer. 4, limit your workouts to 1 hour. Your motivation's high. That's great. But don't let enthusiasm turn into overdoing it. At the beginning, your goal is sustainability, not exhaustion. 1 focused hour in the gym is more than enough. What matters most is consistency over time. Build habits you can maintain long-term before complicating your routine. Efficiency beats duration every single time. 5, start with weight machines until you're comfortable. Ignore the noise that says real lifters only use dumbbells and barbells. Muscle doesn't know the difference between a machine and free weights. It only knows tension and stimulus. Weight machines are extremely effective, safer while you're learning, and ideal for helping you develop confidence and consistency. Proper lifting takes skill, and you don't need to master everything on day 1. Machines are often the smartest starting point while you're organizing your mindset and lifestyle. 6, exercise execution matters more than the perfect routine. Social media is obsessed with debating the best workout routine. At this stage, that debate will only confuse you. Most reasonable training routines will work just fine if you focus on proper execution. How you perform the exercise matters far more than chasing optimal programming. As you gain experience, you can refine and adjust. For now, keep it simple and do it well. 7, invest in a coach. Think about how confusion, frustration, and overwhelm may have kept you from starting or staying consistent in the past. You don't need to go through that again. An experienced coach can help you establish solid training, eating, mindset, and lifestyle habits faster than trial and error ever will. That guidance is not an expense, it's an investment in clarity, confidence, and momentum. 8, send me photos and videos of your gym. I'll help you build a routine. Every commercial gym is different. Instead of guessing or forcing a generic plan, email me pictures and short videos of the equipment in your gym, and I'll help you put together a routine that works with what you actually have. Send everything to Skip at skiplacour.com. I'm happy to help you get off to a great start. I just need to see what you're working with. And if you want clear, consistent direction, get on my email list. I'll point you to every blog post, article, live video, produced video. 9, get on my email list for free guidance. If you want clear, consistent direction, get on my email list. I'll point you to every blog post, article, live video, produced video, training routine, podcast, and visual breakdown that I put out without overwhelm. You can sign up for free updates here, sltips.com 10. Follow me on all social media platforms. Each social media platform has a different language and a different way for you to learn. Some are great for quick insights. Others allow for deeper explanations or live interaction. If you're only following in one place, you're only getting part of the picture. And don't be afraid to ask questions in the comments. I read them and I'm happy to help. Here are some final thoughts. You don't need to know everything before you start. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin with the right mindset and the right guidance. If you do that, the commercial gym can become one of the most powerful tools you have for building strength, confidence, and a higher quality life. That's going to do it for this Workouts for Older Men podcast episode. If today's episode gave you clarity, confidence, or helped remove some of the hesitation you may have felt about working out in a commercial gym, make sure you stay connected with me. Get on my email list, follow me on social media, and don't hesitate to reach out if you want personal guidance. You don't have to figure this out on your own. Let's take on the day with a sense of urgency. We have to, when we're a little bit older, we've got more time behind us than we do in front of us. Have an awesome day.